Welcome to my Advanced Database Management System course. In this section, we discuss about retrieving data from tables using the select statement in SQL. Let's enjoy. To retrieve data from tables in a relational database, you can use the SQL select statement. Here's the basic syntax for retrieving data. Select column 1, column 2 from table name. Column 1, column 2, etc. Optional list of columns you want to retrieve data from. You can specify one or more columns separated by commas. If you omit this part, all columns will be retrieved. Table name. The name of the table from which you want to retrieve data. You can also use additional clauses to filter, sort, and group the retrieved data. Here are some commonly used clauses. Where, used to specify conditions to filter rows based on certain criteria. Order by, used to sort the retrieved data in ascending or descending order based on one or more columns. Group by, used to group rows that have the same values into summary rows. Having, used to specify conditions for groups created by the group by clause. Here are some examples of retrieving data from a hypothetical students table with columns for student ID, name, and age. Retrieve all columns from the students table. Select star from students. Retrieve specific columns, e.g. student ID and name. Select student ID, name from students. Retrieve data with a condition using the where clause. Select star from students, where age greater than 20. Retrieve data with sorting using the order by clause. Select star from students, order by age, descend. Retrieve data with grouping using the group by clause. Select age, count star as count students, from students, group by age. Retrieve grouped data with a condition using the having clause. Select age, count star as count students, from students, group by age, having count students equals 1. These are some basic examples of retrieving data from tables using the select statement in SQL. You can combine these clauses and customize the queries according to your specific requirements. Thanks for watching the Advanced Database Management System lesson. Hope you enjoy the lesson. To learn more about Database Management System, please check the next lesson. Never stop learning. Thanks once again to enjoy the lesson.